Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be taking you through the process of cutting a set. If this is a video you would like to watch, go ahead to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so. Like the video if you found it interesting. First of all, lay your fabric and fold 2.5 inches inside, as you see me doing in this video. And that is the button stand, buttons and buttonhole. As you can see, make sure you are working on the wrong side of the fabric. Mark our starting line, which is our shoulder line, as you see me doing. From the starting line, this starting line will be coming down by 30 inches, which is our length of this set. The length is 30 inches, so you come down 30 inches. We will do the same thing here. So from that place we go downwards again 2 inches, which is our folding allowance. Let's connect the 2 points together plus our 2 inches. So the next thing we will be doing here is our shoulder to shoulder measurement, which is 18. We will be dividing the 18 by 2, which will give us 9 inches. 9 inches. So from this place we go in by 9 inches plus half of an inch. That is our stitching allowance. So from that point in there, we will come down by 2 inches. Come down here by 2 inches, then we connect it to the starting line, just as I am doing on the video. So we input the same 9.5 inches to the second line. That is our shoulder slope. So the next thing we'll be doing here is our armhole. Let's get away with these things first. So after that, our armhole, we will use the shoulder to shoulder measurement, which is 18 inches by 2. So the shoulder to shoulder measurement is 18 divided by 2, which is 9 inches minus 1 inches, which is going to give us 8 inches. So 8 inches, as you can see. So from that slope line we came down by, we'll come down again by 8 inches, as you see me doing in the video. So after that we'll connect the points together, as you see. After getting this line, our shoulder to shoulder measurement, which is 18 by 2, that will give us 9 inches. So we are going to input the same measurement to this line, as you can see. Then you connect these 2 points together. So after this, get those 2 points you are seeing, get the midpoint of it, then you mark it. After marking, from that midpoint we come inside 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch, and from this line now became our chest line. So we will be dividing our chest measurement by 4. So 45 by 4. That's what I'm doing with the tape measure. So what you get, you input the measurement there. What I get is 11 and quarter. So I'll be connecting all those 3 points together, and from this line I'll add my sewing allowance, and I'll be connecting all the 3 points together with the armhole curve, just as easy as that. If you are confused at the point, you can wind this video back and see what we are doing. Let's get away with this measurement, then continue our. The next thing we'll be doing is to locate our waistline, and I'll be using a solder from the starting line downwards by 17 inches. That is the person's waistline, and our waist measurement is, or our tummy measurement is 42 inches. We'll be doing the same thing we did to the chest side, 42 by 4 inches. We'll get 10 and quarter plus sewing allowance. The sewing allowance is actually optional, how you want it. So from here we'll just pick the chest, what we get at the chest line, then we brought it to the hem line and connect these 3 points together from the chest to the waist to the hem, or the length of this set, as you see me doing. So after that, let's go ahead to construct our neck. I'll be using a neck measurement of 18 inches in all. So I'll go down by 3 inches and horizontally by 3 inches. 3 inches on this side, 3 inches on the other side too as well. Then we connect the points together with the curve. You can actually use your hand too as well. Then cut everything out. Let's cut it out. If you watch this video up to here, then you've not subscribed to the channel, you are not doing well at all. Let's go ahead to construct our back. The back is not difficult as this. We'll just cut it the same way as this one, but it's just that the back will be longer than the front. And I'm here to guide you through that. So watch and see what we will be doing. So far, if you find this video interesting, hit on that like button and also share your thoughts in the comment section. If you've not understand, let me know on the comment section. I don't want to waste the fabric, so I'll just adjust the fabric to align with the front so that everything will be equal. Pick the front and place it on this side. Let's iron it for it to lie down flat and smooth for us. So from here we'll be putting the front pieces there. If you were actually following this video, you realize that when we were cutting the front pieces, you will notice that we slanted our shoulders, and that is what we are doing in this part, cutting it the same slanted form. Then we move it downwards for the back to be longer than the front, as you see me doing on the video. To be longer than the front, just like 3 inches or 3.5 inches. It is very optional depending on how you wanted it to be. Just trying to align everything together, and I'll cut it as the same way. After cutting out, this is what we will get. See, neat and clean. Measure the armhole. So we used to cut the sleeve. Pay attention to this side too as well. This is our sleeve. We are going to cut the two sleeves together.